Greetings to all. This session is for 10th standard, first chapter, Arithmetic Progression, exercise 1.2, question number 3. In the following APs, find the missing term. The first question, 2 blank 26. Here, the first term is given, that is A1, second term you need to find out, and third term is 26. In order to find out the nth term of AP, we have a formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here, write the first term as A1, that is 2, and A3 is given, that is third term is given. Third term can be written as A plus 2D. A3 is equal to A plus, substitute N is equal to 3, then 3 minus 1 into D. Then A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A3 can be written as A plus 2D, and it is already given A3 is 26. Have written 26. A you know, that is 2 first term, and 2D you have to write as it is. Keep this 2D as it is, then shift 2 towards left hand side. Then it is 26 minus 2 is 24. Then D is equal to 24 by 2. D is equal to 12. If you know the common difference, then if you add this common difference to the first term, you will get second term. That is A2 is equal to A plus D. A is 2 and D is 12. If you add, you will get 14 as the second term of the arithmetic progression, and here answer is 14. Question number 2. First term is given blank, second term is given 13, even third term is blank again, and fourth term is 3. Now, second term can be written as A2 is equal to A plus D. A2 is 13, so I can write it as A plus D is equal to 13. Similarly, fourth term is given. Fourth term can be written as A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Have written the fourth term as A plus 3D is equal to 3. Now, our intention is to find out the common difference. Now, subtract the equations, plus A and minus A get cancelled, and you are left with minus 2D is equal to 10 and D is equal to minus 10 by 2. Then D is equal to 5. Now, you know common difference. Then, if you substitute the value of D in any of the equation, you will get the value of A. Substitute, if you take this equation, then instead of D, you have to substitute minus 5. Then 13 is equal to A plus into minus 5. Then A is equal to 13 as it is. Since it is minus, if you shift towards the left, it will be plus. Then A is equal to 18. Now, you know the common difference. You know the first term, and easily you can find out the third term by writing the equation, that is A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Here A you know 18, substitute, plus as it is, 2 write as it is. Instead of D, substitute the value of D, that is minus 5. 18 as it is, 2 5s are 10, plus into minus minus. Hence 18 minus 10 is 8. Now if you look at the missing term, the first term was missing, that is 18. Second term is given 13, and third term is again 8, and fourth term is given, that is 3. Third question, first term is given 5, second and third box are missing, and fourth one is 9 1 by 2. Write them as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now A is 5, A4 is 9 1 by 2. A4 can be written as A plus 3D. Substitute the value of A4, that is 9 1 by 2. Since it is mixed fraction, convert it, that is 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19 by 2. A is 5, 3D as it is. Shift this 5 towards the left, then it is 19 by 2 minus 5 is equal to 3D. If you take the LCM is 2, and here since denominator is 2, you have to write 19 as it is. Here since denominator is 1, you have to multiply by 2. That is 5 2s are 10, 3D as it is. Subtract it, 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2 as it is equal to 3D. Then D is equal to 9 by 2. Since it is here multiplying, if you shift towards the right, it will divide. Then 3 1s are 3 3s are. You are left with 3 by 2. Now D you know, you are supposed to find out the second term. The second term can be easily found by the formula, that is A plus D. A is 5 already given. You have solved the D value. Add D value to it, that is 3 by 2. Take LCM. 2 is the LCM. Your denominator is 1. You are supposed to multiply numerator by 2. Then 5 2s are 10. 3 as it is. If you add 10 plus 3, it is 13 by 2. You can write it as 13 by 2, or else you can convert in terms of 6 1 by 2. Divide 13 by 2, then 2 6 are 12. You are left with one remainder. You have to write it is 6 1 by 2. Remainder should be written in the top. Next, you are supposed to find out one more term, that is A3. A3 formula is A plus 2D. Write A as it is, that is 5, plus 2 as it is. Instead of D, write 3 by 2. Then 2 2 will get cancelled. You left with 5 plus 3, that is 8. Now fill in the blanks, that is missing terms. First term, second term was missing, that is 6 1 by 2 was the answer. Third term was missing, it was 8, and fourth term is already given, 9 1 by 2. Question number 4, the first term is given and the sixth term is given, where second, third, fourth, fifth you need to find out. Write the first term and write the sixth term. Sixth term can be written in the form of A plus 5D. Here sixth term was 6. Write 6 and A is given. Substitute the value, that is minus 4, 5D as it is. Then if you shift this minus 4 towards the left side, it is 6 plus 4 is equal to 5D. Then 5D is equal to, if you add 6 and 4, you'll get 10. Then D is equal to 10 by 5. Then D is equal to 2. Now you know the value of A and you know the value of D. Then easily you can find out rest all three numbers. Second number is obtained by adding first term with difference. That is minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. You know the second term. Then third term can be written in the form of A plus 2D. Substitute the value of first term, that is minus 4. Write 2 as it is and substitute the value of D. Then minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. Answer is 0. Now fourth term can be written as A plus 3D. A is minus 4, 3 as it is, D is 2. Minus 4 as it is, 3 2s are 6. Then minus 4 plus 6 is 2. 2 is the fourth term of AP. Similarly, fifth term, that is A5 is equal to a plus 4d. a5 is equal to minus 4 plus 4 into d value is 2. Then write minus 4 as it is. 4 2s are 8. Then minus 4 plus 8 is 4. Now if you look at the pattern, the first term was minus 4, second term you know that is minus 2, and third term is 0, substitute in this box, and the fourth term is 2, substitute in blank, and the fifth term is 4, and last term is given. This is a solution. Number 5, where first term and third, fourth, fifth has to be find out. The second term of the AP is given, that is 38, and the sixth term is given, that is minus 22. Second term, that is A2, can be written as A plus D, and A6, that is sixth term, can be written as A plus 5D. Now substitute the value of second term, that is 38 is equal to A plus D. Let me call this equation as 1. Same way, A6 can be written as A plus 5D. Instead of A6, substitute the value minus 22. Then minus 22 is equal to A plus 5D as it is. Let me call this equation as 2. Subtract the equation, the sign of the each term changes. Then minus 22 will become plus 22, plus A will become minus A, plus 5D will become minus 5D. Plus A and minus A will get cancelled. Now 38 plus 22 is 60. Here A minus 5D is minus 4D. Then D is equal to 60 by minus 4. Then 4 1s are 4 15s are. Now you know the value of D. Easily A value can be obtained by substituting the value of D in any of the equation. I have taken the equation 1, that is A plus D is equal to 38. Substitute the value of D as minus 15. Then A plus minus 15 is equal to 38. Plus into minus is minus. A minus 15 is 38. Then A is equal to, shift this minus towards the right side, it will be plus 15. That is A is equal to 38 plus 15. Then A is equal to 53. Now you know the value of A, you know the value of D. You can easily find out rest all the terms. Now since A3 you need to find out, write A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A is 53, write 2 as it is, and D is minus 15. If you simplify, 55 minus 2 15s are 30. Then 53 minus 30 is 23. 23 is the third term of the given AP. Fourth term is A plus 3D. A is 53 again, plus 3 as it is. D is minus 15. Substitute 15 3s are 45. Plus into minus is minus. Then A4 is equal to 53 minus 45. Then A4 is equal to 8. 8 is the fourth term of arithmetic progression. The last term of arithmetic progression is A plus 4D. Write the value of A, that is 53, plus as it is 4. Instead of D, substitute minus 15. If you multiply, 15 4s are 60, plus into minus is minus. 53 minus 60 is minus 7. Now you got all the missing terms. That's all for today's class. If you find my videos are useful, please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Please support our effort by sharing to your friends. Thanks for watching.